our next speaker, and in my opinion, kind of a highlight of the event. I know I say that a lot, but it's true. Eppie Titong, his official title is Senior Vice President, Country Manager of VXI Global Holdings. And, you know, they seem to operate a bit under the radar, but this is a large and very successful operation and contributor to the country. 20,000 people employed across the country, and 7,000 of those people are in Davao City. So I think they are certainly the largest private sector employer in that city, and certainly a big contributor to the nation's economy and especially jobs for Filipinos. So really nice to have him, and a heck of a nice guy. Please welcome Eppie Titong, the Senior Vice President, Country Manager of VXI Global Holdings. Really glad to have you, Eppie.
Thank you, Richard. That's quite an introduction. I appreciate that. I also just want to thank the HCO Forum Awards just for giving this opportunity to us to kind of share our gratitude and experience operating not just in the Philippines, but in particular with the Davao region. Davao is certainly a growth area for us, and an area where we've continued to invest and grow. We are very, very happy with the strength of talent and labor pool that we're able to pull from Davao. As Richard mentioned, we have close to 7,000 employees in Davao operating out of 4 sites with very, very strong and reliable results. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the Davao local government, which has been tremendous partners through this pandemic. They've allowed us to keep our employees safe, both from working at home and working at site. And they've also allowed a real ease to operate out of a very key region for us in the Philippines. Davao, as an experience for VXI, where we started in that region in 2013, has been a very positive one. We have seen growth of over 15% year over year since we launched in Davao. And we have many, many clients that operate in Davao and are extremely happy with the results that we receive out of Davao. So this is just a great opportunity for me to thank just the local city government of Davao, our Davaoenos, the opportunities that we've been provided in Davao, and you have our commitment that we are going to continue to invest and grow and develop the talent in Davao because of the results that we've seen there.